Welcome to Burra, South Australia, a town where history whispers from every corner and adventure awaits beneath the surface. Today, we're unlocking the secrets of Burra with the famous Keytothetowntour. Grab your key, because you're about to experience Burra like never before.
Hi, and welcome to So Much to See. Each week we aim to bring you along with us as we travel Australia. Joe and I hope that we inspire you, and if you like what you see, please like and subscribe. It helps the channel more than you know. If you want to see more, click on the links and follow on social media.
But first, let's talk about this key to the town. With just one key, you can unlock over 50 historic sites in and around Burra. From the Grand Burra Mine to hidden corners, this key lets you step straight into the town's past. Every twist and turn takes you further into history. Miners' cottages, jails and tunnels that tell the story of a once thriving copper town.
Our first stop, the legendary Burra Mine. This was the heart of Australia's copper boom in the 1800s. Imagine it, thousands of workers extracting copper, shaping the town and fueling the economy.
Next, we're unlocking the doors to Redruth Gaol, one of the earliest colonial prisons in South Australia. This grim site once housed both criminals and later destitute women and children during the Great Depression. Imagine the stories these walls could tell, stories of hardship, struggle and survival. With your key in hand, you get to step inside and feel the weight of its history.
Hey, that's me. Did you know that the Australian movie, Breaker Morant, was filmed here? The story accentuates the unlawful actions exercised during the war in the 19th century, when 3 lieutenants were court-martialed for a murder that they carried out under orders from superior commanders. It was released on 15th of March 1980 in Australia. Let us know in the comments if you have ever watched it. Now for something a little darker. Just outside of Burra lies the Old Brewery, a site that once provided the town with its famous ales. But beneath the brewery, hidden in the tunnels, lies something far more sinister. These eerie tunnels were the filming location for some of the creepiest scenes in the horror movie Wolf Creek. Walking through these shadowy corridors, you can almost feel the spine-tingling presence of the past, and maybe even something else.
People like you, and it's up to my kind to wipe your kind out.
Talk about a difference in temperature.
But the key unlocks even more of Burra's hidden gems. From the iconic Peacock's chimney towering above the town, to the charming miners' cottages that give a glimpse into everyday life over 150 years ago. Each site tells a story, one that weaves together the fabric of Burra's rich and complex history. There's so much to see and discover in Burra, and the Key to the Town tour lets you experience it all at your own pace. Whether you're a history buff, an adventure seeker, or just looking for something unique, Burra delivers. So, what will you unlock next? Hit that like button if you enjoyed this journey, and don't forget to subscribe for more adventures as we explore the hidden gems of Australia.
Such a great spot. Had so much fun there.
Thank you for watching, and if you have made it this far, please like and subscribe. It does help the channel more than you know. Also, we have our own merchandise available. The link will be in the description below.